If you're thinking about a career change, you're not alone. The average person will go through 3 to 7 different careers over the course of their working life. If you're ready to make a move or wondering if the time is right, I've got tips to help. In this video, we'll look at how to make a career change and some questions to ask yourself to make the best decision for your future. Is a career change a good idea? That's the million-dollar question. First and foremost, evaluate your current job satisfaction level. Are you dissatisfied with your industry as a whole, or is it just your boss who gets on your nerves? Assess your skills, passions, and values to identify if your current career aligns with them. If not, it could be a sign that exploring new opportunities is a good idea. The next set of questions you need to ask yourself involves introspection. What are your long-term goals, both professionally and personally? What is your ideal work environment? What are your values? Do you want to be your own boss, help others, work less? Reflect on your past achievements and where you felt the most fulfilled. This self-assessment will help you identify potential new career paths that better align with your aspirations. Begin by researching your desired field. Understand its demands, growth prospects, and required skills. If you need education for your new career, make sure you understand the time frame and costs. Networking is key. Connect with professionals in the industry, attend events, and seek informational interviews. This firsthand knowledge will provide a realistic view of what to expect and help you make informed decisions. A career change is a big step, but you don't have to go it alone. At Career.io, we'll guide you through every step of the process with expert advice and resources like our Career Pathways feature, which allows you to map out the steps needed to reach your ideal job. Making a career change is a big decision. We'll help you explore, plan, and execute your transition thoughtfully. Life is too short to be stuck in a career that doesn't bring you joy. By asking yourself the right questions and following these tips, you can navigate this journey with confidence. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with Career.io's advice for your professional journey. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your career change.